Yeah, we are live here. We are live at Empire Crypto TV. We are live here at Empire. We are live today on a Tuesday evening. Oh, okay. We're still on a Tuesday. I thought we are already on a Friday, but I see we're still on a Tuesday. I don't know why I'm rushing for the weekend, but yeah, we're still on a Tuesday. We are live at 7 p.m. as usual. Please indicate where you're watching this live broadcast from. Tell us where you are coming from, your province, your city, your area. The reason why we're asking you this information is that so that we know how many people are coming from Lesotho, how many people are coming from Botswana, how many people are coming from PE. One of the days we can actually arrange with my team to visit your area and we can have a meetup, meet all our family, meet all our members here to actually discuss cryptocurrencies, blockchain opportunities. There's so much we can talk about when we visit your area, when we visit your city. So that's the reason why actually we are requesting you to say something on the comment section mentioning your area. And of course, it's not all about just divulging your area. It's all about getting to know each other and yeah, to engage. I mean, this is your show. This is our show. This is where we learn about cryptocurrencies. This is where we learn about blockchain. So we want everyone to be on the same level when it comes to this information. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. We are live at 7 p.m. As usual, we bring you all this information for you to become the best trader. All right, my name is Elson Mabena, and aka the Crypto King. And of course, today, unfortunately, my co-presenter she couldn't make it to the show today. She's actually sick. She's off sick today. She's not feeling well, but yeah, we'll be together up until the end of this live broadcast, giving you all this information. We've got interesting discussion to unpack for you today. So make sure that you are here till the end. If you want to get all this information that is going to be shared on this platform, guys, make sure that you do not go away. All right, let me check who's. All right, okay. All right, there we go. Matome said we are waiting. Yeah, better wait because the information that is going to be shared today is powerful. Powerful insights. We're talking about cryptocurrency market. We have been talking about crypto all this time, different discussions, different topics, and we haven't actually spoke about the topic that we're going to be discussing today. That is going to be unpacked to you today. The topic, which is crypto passive income. I mean, when you hear the word passive, you grab your check, grab your popcorns, grab anything around your snacks, and then you start listening. You become a good audience. All right. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you for tuning in. And of course, guys, as usual, request please send this live broadcast to your friends. Invite everyone, guys. Just click that button. There's a button there on your phone. Just on your phone when you are checking your phone, guys. If you are watching this from your phone, from your mobile, if you're watching from your PC, there is a share button. Please, guys, we were asking you, we request you to send ask uh, share this live to everyone so that no one end this year without this powerful information. No one ends this year without understanding about cryptocurrencies. This is my pledge, guys. I want everyone to really understand, to learn about cryptocurrencies. If ever it's we are on 2022 and then you come to my inbox and say, please teach me about cryptocurrency, or please, I don't understand about cryptocurrency, I'll actually check your sanity, because we've been sharing this information to everyone on this platform. And of course, do not forget to go over to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, so that you can, on your spare time, if you miss these live shows, we always available on our YouTube channel. There's so many other strategies, opportunities, videos that you can watch on Empire Crypto TV on YouTube channel. So follow us, subscribe on our channel. Let's grow this channel. We are building one of the biggest crypto community in Africa. In fact, all over the world. We are not only stopping on the borders of Africa, but we're going over the world. We're going all over the world. So yeah, because of internet, because of accessibility, because of digital space, we can actually reach anywhere, any time of the day. So we don't limit ourselves. Let's go global. We are global, guys. Crypto is global. If you are to get involved in this cryptocurrency market, know that you are actually getting involved in a global market, in a global industry. I've actually had a discussion with one of my cousin when I was actually telling him that these days I don't need to go overseas. If I'm in South Africa, I don't have to go anywhere overseas just looking for opportunities. I can still make some dollars while I'm where I am, while I'm in Africa. So I can still make some dollars. I can still make some euros. I can earn in euros. I can earn whatever currency you can actually think of that is being used globally. So you can actually make that money whilst you are in Africa. The most important thing is to position yourself, understand what industry you want to tap into. There's so many other businesses, guys. Online opportunities. There is got so much, digital space has got so much opportunities, guys. Wherever you are, you can still earn some money. And of course, we are not talking about fiat currencies these days. We are not all about fiat currencies these days because fiat is dying. We're all about blockchain. We're all about cryptocurrencies. We're all about Bitcoin. We're all about the future money that is here today. Guys, get yourself educated about this future money because fiat currency is dying, guys. I'll remember this. You must quote me on this. Fiat currency is dying. Digital money, here it comes. In the future, we already started using digital currencies. And in fact, different countries, different regions, we've spoken about them on this show, whereby they've started actually dishing their cash currencies and opting for digital currencies. This is where the world is going. So start getting involved. The first people to get involved in any opportunity, they always reap the rewards, they always reap the benefits. So it's always the first come, first serve, guys. You make money, especially when you are one of the first people. The people who got involved in the internet space way back in 90s, late 90s, people got involved. Bought shares, got involved in the internet.com, and all that, what was happening back then. They actually made a lot of money. They actually made fortunes of money. People have been investing in these financial markets like the stock markets, the forex exchange markets. They actually made a lot of money, guys. So here we are with the cryptocurrency market, the digital market, which is barely 10 years, 12 years old. We are one of the first adopters in this market. So make sure that you get educated, to get involved in this market, guys. We do not want to be in the next 10 years again. You say, oh, okay, I heard about cryptocurrency market way back 10 years, but I didn't get involved because I didn't believe in this market. I thought this was the market that was here for a short period of time. By then it will be late, and what will be eating you will be so much pain. You will be having so much pain about I should, I could, I would gotten involved, especially when your kids start asking you, because these little people that are here in our homes, there will come a time whereby they start asking you, what happened? Why didn't you get involved in this market, daddy? What will be your answer when your kids start asking you? Because our kids, us who are actually involved in this market, will be bowling, will be driving fancy cars, will be living in upper areas. And your kids, those who are actually very much doubtful of this market, will be very shameful. So yeah, the topic of the day, guys, let's talk about the topic of the day, which is passive crypto passive income. crypto passive income. Mm, very much interesting, guys, especially when we hear the word crypto and also in the same statement, in the same sentence with passive income. It means there's something big, it's a bomb, something very much beneficial to anyone. I mean, crypto passive income. All right, what is it? This is what we're going to be discussing. And of course, guys, I request you one more time to share this live broadcast to everyone. Share it, guys. Share it. Press the button. Share. And on the comment section, make sure that, guys, we engage with one another. Say something on the comment section. Ask some questions. Just shower me with some love, guys. Today I'm alone. I'm feeling lonely here on the studio. But of course, guys, I'm with you. I will never feel lonely. I'm with you, guys. There is nothing that I can fear if I'm with you. All right, there we go. Salby says, I've subscribed. Thank you, Salby. Thank you very much, Tepo. Thank you. All right, crypto passive income. This is gaining interest on your bank accounts and more recently on your cryptocurrency holdings. It's another kind of passive income, you know, gaining interest on your bank accounts, investments, or on your crypto holdings. So it's a kind of passive income. Essentially, any investment that earns money on its own qualifies as passive. Any investment that earns money on its own is it qualifies as passive. When you invest your money in the stock market, your primary aim is to increase your profit margin. Consider diversifying your portfolio to incorporate numerous investment areas and types as one method to accomplish so. In the end, you want to be able to rely on your investment decisions to generate fresh revenue even whilst you are sleeping. To achieve this, build a portfolio that generates passive income and puts your money to work for you. Right. Now we go deeper about what exactly is passive income. What are we talking about when we mention the word passive income? Passive income is money earned by your possessions without your participation. It means it's an investment that you undertake, and then without your participation, it keeps giving you some money. It keeps paying you every time without much involvement of yourself. This might include profits from a rental property, evergreen automated sales for a firm, dividends from stock holdings, or any other kind of income. That's passive income. It's an engine, it's a strategy, it's a business, it's a system. I would say it's a system where you set it once and continuously give you some money, some profits. It generates you some dividends over a period of time without much involvement from your side. That's what we call passive income. All right, ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency mining. Okay, with cryptocurrency, we've got mining. All right. When we talk of mining, all right, let me just see if I can share this. Just a sec. All right. When we talk of mining, mining is the process of employing computational power to secure a network in exchange for a reward. It is the oldest technique of producing passive income in the Bitcoin sector, despite the fact that it does not necessitate cryptocurrency holdings. All right. Mining using a standard central processing unit, which is called CPU in short, was feasible option in the early days of Bitcoin. Right. When they say early days of Bitcoin, guys, I remember I also got involved in mining way back in 2014. But of course, it was a bit late because more people who got involved in the mining space between 2009, 2011, 2012, 2013, around 2014. Those guys, what we used to do back then, we used to actually mine, buy your computer, just use to mine with your own computer, install some software and start mining. Mining used to be very much cheap, guys, way back then. Mining, you could just buy your own computer in your own house, set up the mining, and then some softwares, and then you start mining from your own PC, from your own computer. It used to happen, guys. It was never this big where you actually yes, of course, these big mining rigs, they were always there. These big mining companies, they were always there. But what I'm trying to stress out to you now is that we used to do mining on a very small scale by using our own PCs, by using our own computers way back then. But now it's no longer really possible. It's no longer really profitable to do so like what we used to do way back. So most miners switched to more powerful graphics processing units as the system hash rate grew. As the rival grew, it became almost entirely a game of application specific integrated circuits, devices that employ mining chips designed just for this purpose. So, as you can see, guys, on this picture, this is a picture of a mining rigs. These are mining rigs, guys. This is what happens when they talk about Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin is being mined, guys. Let me just explain it as I always explain when I'm talking one on one with people. Bitcoin is being mined, but it's not mined at Marikana. It's not mined in the mines like our fathers do, or what is happening in the mining of gold, where people go to the mines. But Bitcoin is being mined. It's being mined through processes on computers, um, through graphics processes on computers. So if there is a word mining, this is what is being spoken about when we talk about Bitcoin mining. It's still look like I said, on a small scale, it's no longer really feasible, but we can still like mine, and there are other cryptocurrencies also that are still possible to mine on the space. So this is mining, guys. Um, the next one is staking. Right, staking, crypto staking. Let me see if I've got crypto staking on this side. Right, crypto staking, guys. Staking is essentially a resource conserving version of mining. To obtain staking benefits, typically entails storing cash in an appropriate wallet and fulfilling certain network activities, such as verifying transactions. Through ownership, the stake, i.e., token holding, incentivize the program's security to be maintained. All right. I'll put an example here also. Let me just share my screen. All right. This is one platform, guys, which is called Binance. Binance is one of the biggest exchange in the world, where we actually there's so much you can do. On this, it's not only like we've been mentioning on this platform on our lives prior, guys, to say there's so much you can do in the crypto space. It's not only about buying and selling, or only buying and holding. There's so many other things, so many other strategies you can undertake on this market to make sure that you are more profitable. So, and of course, some of these strategies you employ them because they are suitable for your lifestyle, they're suitable for your skills, for the profits that you are expecting, which is your expectations. So different people coming to this market to do different things. There were people who were much involved, active when there was when the mining boom was very much active. mining boom when it was at its peak. The way people were much involved, who are no longer involved now, no longer participating in the space now, because they were actually coming to profit, to benefit from the mining boom. All right. So what I'm trying to say to you, even now, some of these strategies that I'm mentioning, some of them I've done them in the past, in the last 2 years. Some of them I actually stopped using them, but some of them I'm still using them. That's why I'm trying to tell you, trying to show you that different people with different skills, with different expectations, what you're expecting from the strategy that you are undertaking. Thus, you have to choose which strategy you're actually going to employ on this space, in the crypto space, in the blockchain space. There's so much you can actually do. Right now, as we are speaking, talking about staking, and of course, I've put here an example of Binance. You can always come here, guys, on finance, and then finance, and then it says Binance, and there's so many other, all these other menus. Also, you can look into them. They also provide nice way of earning your cryptocurrencies. All right. Um okay, great stuff. You can come here, you can see here it says staking. You can find staking on Binance, guys. Staking, it will tell you, guys, if you are staking this coin, which is called AXS, your estimated APY is going to be 123% per annum. Okay, which is duration is 60 days. It means here you are locked for 60 days, guys. You'll be taking sort of a period of 60 days to stake your coins. There's so many other also options you can look into. Um, Many other options you can look into: fixed savings, BNB staking, at 2.0 staking, flexible savings, BNB Vault. And of course, if you come down here, guys, you can actually see. Let me just see if I can increase here so that everyone can see what we are talking about here. I think it's better now. Savings, stable earnings, locked staking. It means you lock in your funds, your capital, to be staked for a certain period of time, where you'll be getting some returns, some dividends on your staking. And then DeFi staking, also liquid swap. We go on to dual investment. There's so much, guys, you can actually do. I would advise people not to keep holding your coins without doing staking, without actually earning from your coins, from your holdings. There are especially those who are investing on a long term. You like, you know what, I've got my coins, I'm not touching my coins for the next 5 years, I'm not touching my coins for the next 10 years. Great. That's good. That's excellent. What you are thinking, your mind is excellent. But there is still another option that you can undertake on your coins that you are holding. Instead of just holding them, waiting for the price to go up, you can still do staking. You can still earn from those coins. There's so many other ways of growing them without changing them. Look, because people will be saying, you know what, I've got my BNB, I've got my Cardano, I do not want to change it because I still believe in this project. I'm investing on this project for a long term. I'm investing on this project, for the next 5 to 10 years. I don't want to change it. Excellent. That's advisable. But you can look into taking those coins that are actually eligible to be staked and stake them as they are, and earn some money whilst you are staking them. And instead of just leaving them on your wallet, waiting for the price only to go up, you can still benefit by staking them. Okay, so this is what we are talking about again. All right. There's so much you can do, guys, in the crypto space. All right. The next one, let's see. The next one is lending. Lending. All right, lending. Let me see if I've got something to share to you with lending, on lending. All right, on lending, guys. Just a sec. There's something called lending on the crypto space. Crypto lending. Lending is a passive way of earning interest on your Bitcoin investments. Many peer to peer lending services allow you to lock up your cash for a certain amount of time in order to get interest payments later. The interest rate might be fixed, determined by the platform, or variable, determined by you depending on current market rates. These capabilities are available natively on the platforms of several exchanges that offer margin trading. This technique is suitable for long term investors who wish to grow their portfolios with minimal effort. It's worth mentioning that securing cash in a smart contract is inherently risky. All right. What I'm saying, guys, here is that lending it's normally on the platforms that do margin trading, not only limited to those platforms only. But let me talk about margin trading platforms. This is where other traders, special traders who are actually using margin trading strategy, they are using the leverage strategy where they are trading with the funds borrowed from the platform. So the funds that they are using are borrowed from the platform. So you can also be a lender, lending your cryptocurrencies to the platform, and the platform will be giving those people who are actually using leverage trading. And in return, you get some profits, some fees and profits back. Most of these lending platforms, they tell you that when you are lending your cryptocurrencies for this period of time, this is how much you're gonna be earning. This is how much you're going to get in return. So you'll be helping the traders on the platform who are using margin trading strategy, who are using leverage strategy. So you're helping them to make more money, and you're also getting more money. This strategy of lending, guys, it's it qualifies as a passive income because you just initiate it once, and then you knowingly that this is how much you're gonna earn, this is how much you're gonna get at the end of a contract or at the end of period, because you can actually state there that I'm putting my capital, I'm putting my cryptos for lending for this period of time. And of course, some platforms actually you can actually choose, go there and press choose. All right, I'm lending my cryptos for the next 2 months or 3 months or for the next 6 months or 1 year, and then it shows you how much you're gonna be earning, you're gonna be getting. That's lending. All right. As you can see here, invest money, crypto lending, invest money, lends money, deposits assets, borrower pays loan interest, crypto lending company pays loan interest, investors investment. It's a cycle, guys. This is the cryptocurrency market. It behaves more than the banks. That's why we are in a decentralized world, decentralized finance, which is DeFi, decentralized finance. Decentralized finance, guys, we are building our banks on the digital space without the help of banks. We're shutting the banks down because now we are getting to the decentralized finance where we can actually borrow money. We can borrow cryptos on the space. We can borrow cryptos. We can borrow money. It's a topic for another day, but it's possible. If you've got some coins, you can borrow more coins, can borrow more money instead of liquidating your coins. Let's say you've got some bitcoins and you wanna buy a house. Let's say we've got bitcoins, one bitcoin which is worth 900,000, and you want to buy a house. Instead of selling that bitcoin, you can actually borrow some money from the crypto exchanges against your bitcoin, and then build your house, buy your house, or buy your business. I prefer buying businesses because I prefer something that is actually cash. I would say that will bring some cash. At this point in time, guys, we must, our brains, our minds must be thinking of something that is bringing some more money. We must be thinking of our businesses. We must be thinking of our programs that will bring some more profits into our portfolios or into our investments and stuff. We mustn't be thinking of spending our money. But what I'm trying to say to you, you can also, if you have got, I always hear people saying, you know what, I've invested on different coins. Now I don't have any more money to buy some more coins. Right. That's a problem that can be solved. How so? You can still borrow some more money, some more USDT to buy some more coins. You are not limited, guys. You must learn that strategy. So there are so much, guys, you can actually do in the crypto space. Don't limit yourself. Don't limit your ability. So yeah, we're talking of crypto lending here. All right, let's check what's the next one. The next one is running a Lightning node. The Lightning network is a second layer protocol that is built on a top of a network, such as Bitcoin's blockchain. It's an off-chain payment system network, which means it may be used for quick transactions that don't need to be sent to the underlying blockchain right away. On the Bitcoin network, most transactions are one way, which means that if Alice transfers a Bitcoin to Bob, Bob will not be able to transmit the same coin back to Alice over the same payment channel. The Lightning Network, on the other hand, employs bidirectional channels which necessitate prior agreement between the two parties on the transaction's conditions. All right, that's Lightning Network. All right, unfortunately, I don't have much illustration on that, but yeah, we spoke about it a few weeks back on our channel, on Empire Crypto TV channel. Yeah, guys, please do subscribe on our channel. I see people are saying it's a great discussion and stuff. If you want more of this, you have to go on our YouTube channel and subscribe so that you can watch all these videos, guys, where we talk about crypto opportunities. We talk about different ways of earning some coins, earning some money. All right, as we proceed, let me see what we have next here. We've got um, the next one. Remember, we are talking about passive income here, crypto passive income, earning cryptos passively without much involvement on your side. Here we've got crypto affiliate programs, which is, I'll describe it as some cryptocurrency companies may compensate you for bringing additional people into their network. Affiliate links, referrals, or any other type of a discount provided to new users who are brought to the platform by you. Examples of this: affiliate programs may be a great method to supplement your income if you have a significant social media following. To prevent spreading the word about low liquidity initiatives, it's usually a good idea to perform some preliminary research on the business. Right? Affiliate programs, guys, this is where you become an affiliate. There are different projects in the crypto space that want to sell their products, want to attract as many people as they can. Obvious, if you are in business, selling is part of the business, it's part of the game. If you are a business, you want to sell your product to the wider people, to the broader market. So, how do you undertake such an initiative? This is where the affiliates come on board. This is where the affiliates come in. And on the other space, we've got network marketing people, network marketers. Who are network marketers? Marketers are people who are helping businesses to grow by inviting others to such a company, to such a business, or to a certain project. So network marketers to go all out there, start talking to people. I'm sure you've had a contact with network marketers inviting you to an opportunity, inviting you to a certain business. Um, those people are actually um, working or contracted or you know um performing a certain task for a certain project, bringing people to that project. And return, what do they get? They get commission, they get some sales benefits, they get some cryptos, or they get some money. All right, those are network marketers. All right. Now, when we come to affiliate programs, still much work the same. This is where now you approach a different company and say, guys, I see you are an exchange, you are Binance, you are an exchange, and you are looking for members, you are looking for the community, you are looking for people to use your products. I have a following, I have people who actually trust in me, people who follow me, people who actually know what I can actually bring. And in exchange for my people that I'm gonna bring on this table, on this platform, on your platform, who are gonna use your product, please pay me so much. Okay, please pay me so much. And then once you have registered those people, once those people get registered, some of those affiliate programs, projects, they pay lifetime. As long your people are still on that platform, you get paid lifetime. So if you have managed to build a huge database of people following, and you have registered to that project or product, if the project is paying lifetime, it means you'll be getting, every time they buy, every time they trade, every time they transact, you'll be getting some money, some profits, some commission. It becomes passive income now. It becomes a lifetime money. That's what other people who have actually gotten invited in this platform, especially on our crypto lifestyle program that airs every Wednesday, they've been actually doing. They've got a huge following of people, and then they actually strike deals with these projects and say, I've got a huge following. Um, I need a certain card. Understand? So that's affiliate programs. It's another way of growing your income. There's so much, guys, you can actually do on the crypto space or on the um, digital space. All right, let's check. We've got, let me see what we have here also. We've got Masternodes. Um, all right, we've got cryptocurrency Masternodes. Masternodes. It's a great way of earning your cryptocurrencies, earning coins without much involvement on your side. The only effort you put is on setting up that certain masternode. And of course, the most important thing that you have to do is to choose the good project to set up a masternode on. good coins to set up masternodes on. Because if you do not have such information or such an idea how to choose the good projects to set up masternode, you might choose bad projects, shit coins. That we call them shit coins. Don't run away. All right, those are coins that have got no use. They've got no value. They might be making a lot of noise in a short period of time, but on a long term, they might disappear. They might just die along the journey, along the way. So do not find yourself getting trapped in such projects, in such coins. Just invest on good projects, on good coins. What is a masternode? A masternode, in basic words, is a server that operates in a decentralized network and has capabilities that other nodes in a network do not. Token initiatives are more likely to grant special advantages to players who have a strong interest in network stability. To set up a masternode, you will need a significant upfront expenditure and a lot of technical know how. However, for a certain masternodes, the token holding requirement might be so high that the stake becomes essentially illiquid. Masternode projects have a tendency to exaggerate predicted return rates. Therefore, it's always a good idea to do your own research before investing. All right, guys, we've spoken about this a lot. You must always do a lot of research before actually taking a trade or investing on a certain project. Do not just go in because we heard a lot of noise from other people, from your friends, or whatsoever the reason. Because we've got people who have um, killed their reputation, or who have actually fallen into a trap of going with the noise without researching about a certain project. And alas, after a few weeks, few months, it comes back to bite them. So you must always do your own research before taking any steps. All right, and then the Masternode, guys, is another form of passive income that you can actually employ in your portfolio. Just study much about it, go there, do a lot of research about it, and then start making money from this opportunity. And of course, the other one is called Fox and Airdrops. Fox and Airdrops. Okay, I do not have anything about airdrops here. But yeah, Fox and airdrops, guys, for investors taking advantage of a hard fork. Um, of a hard fork is a pretty simple strategy. It's as simple as keeping the split coins on the day of the hard fork. All right, Fox, guys, Fox. All right, forking. When a coin is forking, when Bitcoin is forking, those who have been in the space, they know about when a coin, a crypto is forking, you get double coins. All right. It's whereby like Bitcoin is forked many times. One of the coins that it forked, and the people were having Bitcoin, they earned Bitcoin Cash some years back. So those were holding a certain number of Bitcoins. When the fork happened, they were having a similar number of the coin that was forking away. Okay. Like if we had one Bitcoin, you are going to have one Bitcoin Cash coin in your wallet. But of course, not all the wallets, guys. You must always be very alert. Some wallets don't really participate in forking when a coin is being forked. Understand? When there is a fork, some wallets do not participate. You must always check with your That's why I always advise people to use best exchanges, best wallets, and just being alert, guys. When you hear that there will be a fork, you can always move your coins to a certain exchange where the fork is going to happen, where the exchange is going to participate in a fork. And then you're gonna get double coins. All right. So that's fork. It always happen in the space. You just have to put your ears on the ground and wait for the news, hear the news. And of course, as Empire Crypto TV, we always going to let you aware of the fork around. If there are coins planning to do a fork, we always update you guys. Just make sure that you stay with us. You are always here with us 24/7, 7 days a week. We are always around. Airdrops, like Fox, simply need the possession of a wallet address at the moment of the airdrop. Some exchanges will provide users with airdrops. It's worth noting that receiving an airdrop will never need the exchange of private keys, which is a telltale indicator of a fraud. If an exchange or a wallet is asking for the private keys to give you airdrops, there's so much happening, guys, on the space. I would not really sit here and say it's all gloss and gloomy and all glitters is gold and stuff. That's why we dedicate and commit ourselves to bring all this information to you so that you can avoid pitfalls that others have fallen into, that most of us have gone through. With our experience, we are committed to bring this first-hand information to make sure that you become successful without going through the bushes, without going through the pitfalls. All right, you just have to become a good audience. You just have to become a good mentee, and then let the mentors groom you. Let the mentors um prepare you for this market. All right, airdrops, these are coins. It's a form of marketing. When projects are launching, when companies are launching in the crypto space, they give out some free coins as a form of marketing, as a way of marketing themselves, as a way of giving as many people the share of their company. Because the more people are receiving those airdrops, they will start noticing, oh, okay, there's this company. Oh, okay, what are they doing? Let me check their white paper. Let me see what are they doing. And the more they are doing that, they're doing so, people are actually noticing that company. They will come back and buy more coins because sometimes airdrops are the first coins that are given to people before they start selling coins. Before they start selling those coins again to the people. So if you are lucky enough and your ears are always on the ground, you will hear of our airdrops first, and then before they start selling or monetizing those coins. So you must always keep your ears on the ground. You must always keep watching Empire Crypto TV. You must subscribe to our YouTube channel to get this information firsthand. All right, so this is earning cryptocurrencies passively. Um, All right. Let me see if there is something that I can actually share with you. All right. We've got this other platform. Okay. Let me share it with you. This other platform as well. I don't know what's happening. Okay. All right. All right, there's this platform is called Alcon Trader. There is a way which is called Easy Save. It's a way of actually earning coins. Instead of just keeping your coins, you can actually earn more on your coins that you are holding for long term. So you can do Easy Save. It says here Alcon Traders just changed the crypto savings game. Earn rewards on your crypto with easy save and watch it grow with no lock-in periods and no fees. You have instant access to your funds at any time. This simply means um, you can actually dedicate a certain portion of your portfolio or all of it, because I will not really say it's much risky, but obviously there's a disclaimer about risky on the platform, about the risky of actually using this feature. But as a long-term investor, as an investor myself, I would really I've actually done it. I've got coins who are actually on easy save on this platform, and there I'm getting more and more coins on a daily basis. And of course, the word that I wanted to share with you is that if you undertake to be an investor or a trader in the crypto space or in the financial markets, obvious it means you agree on the risky terms. There's nothing which is without risky. It can be small risky or big risky, but you must always know that anything can happen in the space, in the financial market, in life in general. All right, anything always happen. We never knew that there will be COVID-19, where people will be forced to sit at home and lose their income, lose their businesses, lose everything that they have, they worked hard for, lose their independence, lose their happiness. We never knew that there would be such a time, but it happened. No one was expecting it. No one had actually foretell us that there would be such time whereby there would be such a disaster. So yeah, it happens. It happened. But yeah, guys, the cryptocurrency market is here. You can make so much money if you really disciplined, and if you do a lot of research, if you check um all right, if you keep checking, I'm just checking some if there are some questions or comments that we can actually respond to. Guys, you can send something on the comment section. You can send something on the comment section. You can send something on the comment section if you've got some questions. If you want to understand anything, you can send. When your crypto is locked or staked, do you still benefit from a price increase? Absolutely true. When we have staked or locked your coins, they still belong to you. They're still your coins, and you still can benefit on the price increase. Yes, absolutely true. You can still benefit because those coins, let's say it's Cardano, and we have staked that Cardano. When the price is increasing, obviously remember those coins, they're still your coins, it's still Cardano. They're not changed to anything else, they're still Cardano. So whenever you claim them back or surrender the staking, you are still getting your Cardano back plus the profits that you've earned, and you can check the price. They will still be valued at the current rate, at the current price. So yeah, they're still going up in price. Okay. Anything else? Any other question? Yes. Any other question? Great stuff, Norma. Yeah, it's a great topic. Make sure that you invite others to come through on our next live, which is tomorrow. Every day, guys, we are live at 7 p.m. We discussing blockchain projects, cryptocurrencies, different topics that we choose. You can always suggest a topic also. If you've got a topic that you want us to discuss, to crash here, we can actually look into it and then, yeah, go over it. This is your show, guys. This is your platform to get all this information. We do not want to hold onto this information or withhold this information with us. This is your platform, guys. The most important thing what you can do is subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go over on YouTube, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe. Once you have subscribed, you can always write under this video that you have subscribed. We've got 100,000 Shibas that we are giving away. We always giving away, guys. So if you go on to our YouTube channel and subscribe, we can send some Shibas to your wallet. You can send some Shibas to your wallet. Right. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming through. Let's meet again tomorrow, 7 p.m. same time. Thank you for being a good audience. Let's meet again. Okay. All right.